how this plays out is this experience is designed for you to start inside the Systems Accelerator Manager 2.0 using the communication matrix. And once you start this, anytime you have a sale go through and you add into the important dates that piece, it's going to trigger this routine to be started. Now, this routine is going to work, and the really cool thing about this is when Sam is creating content, it's not just using merge fields, which are kind of the standard process. And these oftentimes look like little bracketed or little boxed in names or things like that. And then when it gets sent to them, it fills it in with information. So you might receive a message that's like, dear, and then it's like first name, and then it fills in, it's like, dear Cody, right? And then the rest of the message is stock, and it's like pre-written, sounds terrible, it's not custom to them. And for some reason, this has been the industry standard for years, right? Almost 2 decades. But because of the power of the ability for AI and the ability for SAM 2.0 to go a little bit deeper, as we're building relationships with the people we're working with, we're going to be learning information about them, their likes, their dislikes, goals, hobbies, information about their family. And these are things that traditionally our systems have been gathering, that we've been putting in our systems, but the system just kind of holds it and hoards it. And so using SAM 2.0, the system can grab this information and it can actually use it in the messages that it's creating, ensuring that they are actually custom written for the specific person that's receiving it. So when we are building these custom messages for the person who is receiving it, now we're able to drive a completely different experience. And this is exactly the magic behind the Systems Accelerator Manager 2.0. We're going to be diving into how you do that in this training as well.